All right, hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. So in today's video, we are discussing, can you drive for Uber and Lyft at the same time? And the short answer is yes. Yes, you definitely can. Now I'm gonna explain how to do so in this video. So if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver or both, please thumbs up the video. It helps support the channel tremendously. Before I get into the tutorial on how to drive for Uber and Lyft at the same time, I'm going to tell you all about a new awesome way to earn income from T-Mobile. T-Mobile is just bought out this company, Octopus, and when you put this tablet in your car, they're gonna start paying you $100, up to $100 extra per month just for putting it in your car, and passengers can play games. You can even earn some more money too. They have some awesome ways to earn money on there and can help offset your gas prices, your rent, your car payment, etc. So check out our link below and you get a free tablet on us. Okay, so we're gonna talk about this. Can you drive for Uber and Lyft at the same time? Yes, you can drive for Uber and Lyft at the same time. Because you are an independent contractor, meaning you are not an employee bound to one platform. You know, I used to work at Nike and they told us, you know, you cannot work at Adidas, you have to stick to us. You can't work for one of our major competitors. But in here, with your Uber driver, you can drive for Uber, for Lyft, for Doordash, Instacart, Amazon Flex, all at the same exact time. So how does that work logistically? Well, when you have Uber and Lyft going, the reason why you want to do both apps is because a lot of times if you're just doing Uber, you're gonna have a lot of wait times in between each ride, sometimes 10 minutes, 20 minutes, sometimes 30 minutes. I've been online driving Lyft and I'm literally waiting 30 minutes to get a new ride request, and sometimes, guys, I actually take a nap in my car because I get tired of waiting. Or I go to a cafe and I'm like, yeah, I can use the restroom, maybe order a cup of coffee and I'll have a new ride. And I'm sitting there waiting and I'm twiddling my thumbs waiting for a new ride. And you're missing out on potentially double earnings. So what you want to do is go every time you know you finish a ride, go log online with both apps. You're logging on, they're both searching for rides. You don't want to drive around, just go to a parking lot, sit back, find a nice shady area, go online on both apps. As soon as you get a ride from one app, you want to accept it and then go offline quickly on the other app. So that way you don't end up having to deny one ride, because we all know Uber and Lyft love to deactivate drivers if their cancellation rate is too high. So that's basically all you want to do. It's very quick and simple. Let me know if you have any more questions down below. I will hop in and answer as many as I can. And again, shout out to T-Mobile, our sponsor. They can help you put a tablet in your car for free. You can sign up in minutes below and start earning tons of cash just for installing this in your car. You'll love it and your passengers will too. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.